I've been looking for one for so long and I finally found one. The perfect thing for back to uni with the blue jeans. I'm quite feeling it. It feels really put together even though it's quite simple. Hi, I have a matching bag, matching jumper. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a little PLT back to uni haul. So it's basically going to be all my favourite things on at PLT at the minute, mixed with like a university styling haul. So I've basically paired together about 6 or 7 outfits that I think are perfect for back to uni, and I'm absolutely loving all of them. I literally can't wait to show you. I just thought before I went to uni I had absolutely no clue what to wear, and also just thought it was a bit of an excuse to buy some new clothes back to uni, so here we are. So if you're new here, I'd love you all to stick around, join the little family and subscribe. There is going to be a part 2 of this because this is honestly the biggest online order I've ever done. So today's going to be what to actually wear to uni, like lecture outfits, and then the next video, part 2, which should be out next week, will be a little night out outfit video. So I've actually got the first outfit on, and the first thing is this little ribbed top. So it's just a plain long sleeve black top, but it's also ribbed. I go on in every single haul about how much I love ribbed clothes. I just think that's so much more flattering, and I absolutely love this. I just think it's so cute how it has like a little dip in the neckline here. I think that's so flattering, and it's also just so comfy. It's just like a little staple to have in your wardrobe. You can wear this with jeans, with joggers. Big fan of this. So these joggers, I think these are my favourite thing I picked up in the whole haul because they're just so comfy. I rave on all the time about the Pretty Little Thing casual joggers, and these ones, they're better than that. They're literally better than the casual joggers. These are my favourite joggers I've ever found on any website. Honestly, they're so comfortable. Inside is like a fleece material, like really fluffy fleece. They literally feel like putting on a dressing gown on your legs, if that's even a thing. But I'm going to stand back so you can see them because it's just a little bit here, the little logo thing going on, which I absolutely love. So as you can see, they've got the Pretty Little Thing logo here, and it's like in a circle detail, which I think is just so different. I have rolled the joggers up. I'm about 5'6", I think, and I've still had to roll these up about 5 times. They are fairly long, so I guess that's a good thing. If you're a little bit taller, these will be perfect for you, and if you're a little bit smaller like me, you can literally just roll them up, and I like my joggers rolled up anyway, so it's all good. But I just thought this outfit was really cool. This is how I would style it back to uni, and I just feel like white joggers are a little bit more put together than grey joggers. I'm not going to like slag off the grey joggers because they are just my little babies. Paired with just some trainers. These trainers are actually from Boohoo, but you can get a really similar one from PLT. And I just thought this was a really cool outfit. So that is outfit number 1. And we do have a great accessory for outfit number 1, and this kind of goes with all the outfits. And I'm honestly so in love with this. So it's this bag, and I've been seeing a bag so similar to this for literally like a month on Lissy Roddy's Instagram. If anybody follows Lissy Roddy, I'm sure you will do. She's just a fashion icon. Like, I literally love her Instagram so much. I'll put a picture of her with the bag that is similar. I have no idea where that one's from, but this is the most similar bag I could find, and I've been looking for one for so long and I finally found one. So it's like this big puffy bag. It kind of reminds me of like a duvet. I have no clue why. Like, it's just puffy and cute. I just thought as a back to uni outfit, this is so good. I love this bag, and it's so good because it has a little zippy pocket here, so you could put anything you need to get to quickly here, some snacks, something like that. And then it also has a few pockets inside, and the best thing about it is it has a zip as well, which I feel like is essential for a back to uni bag. You don't want anything falling out, and I just love it. Like, it has this little short strap here, and then it also has a longer strap which you can wear, and I feel like both look cool. I would wear it both ways, and this is my new back to uni bag. The only thing I'm thinking is it a bit silly to have a white back to uni bag? They also had this in black, so I may have to send it back and get the black. I just think styled with all these outfits, it just looks so nice. Okay, so another uni essential. This video is literally going to be me showing you all my absolute essentials back to uni, and what I wear most days. Always joggers or it's jeans. So I found the perfect pair of blue jeans from PLT, and I literally love them so much. I'll show you. So they are just these light wash pair of mom jeans, and they just look like this. And again with these, I have had to roll them up because they were a little bit too long for me. What I'm thinking though with these, I'm thinking I might cut them, because if I roll them down, I've rolled them up twice to get them to the right length, and if I roll them down, they literally like hang over my shoes, which isn't the look I would go for. I prefer like ankle grazing jeans. So if you are a little bit smaller, I'm thinking you can just cut these, and I prefer like a ruffled edge anyway, These jeans honestly fit so well. I always size up in jeans to a size 10 and these fit perfectly in a size 10. I did try to get the ones Molly May had with the rips in, but of course if Molly May wears them they're going to be sold out, but I found these and I just love them. And then this goes with so many outfits, but the first thing I'm going to pair together with this is the cutest jumper. So it's this little orange jumper. This is looking so bright on camera. It's honestly not that bright in person. It's literally just like a little peachy colour. This actually looks quite cute with the white joggers, like I would mix and match, but I just thought with jeans this looks so nice. The inspo for this came from Sophia Tuxford in every single haul. There's something inspired by Sophia and Cynthia, and I just thought with the blue jeans, that is such a look. I literally just love this. Like I think it's the perfect thing for back to uni. Not too hot, not too cold, quite a cute pastel colour, but still a little bit warmer than like a summer top. So what I've done is I've rolled one side of the jeans up and I've left one down just so you can see the actual lengths. And then I'll show you how I'd actually prefer to wear it, if that makes sense. So this is the side that's down. As you can see, the jeans go all the way down to my trainers, which I'm not really a big fan of. I prefer like a little bit of a crop to the jeans. Whereas this side is like a little bit rolled up and I much prefer that. To be honest, I think I'd prefer, like I said, to cut them just because I love the like rough edge jeans. It's a really cute little outfit. Okay, so another thing which I feel is an absolute staple at uni is just like sweatshirts, hoodies. But that's just the easiest thing to throw on, and I found the most gorgeous jumper which matches these blue jeans perfectly. So it's this cream sweatshirt and it just has this blue detail here which says Looks Girl Forever. I don't know what that means. I'm not really sure what that's about, but I just thought it looked so cute on the jumper and I just love it. And what I like about it is when you wear it, the blue kind of ties in with blue jeans. I feel like it looks really cute as a little outfit. A sweatshirt with joggers, sweatshirt with jeans, you can't really go too wrong. So yeah, I love it. I'm gonna put this on and show you how it looks all together, but I think this might be one of my favourite things as well, just because of the colours. I just think this can't really go out of fashion. It's literally like a white sweatshirt with a little bit of writing on, which I just love. Okay, so this is how the little sweatshirt looks. I just love it. And I feel like, again, the blue with the blue jeans, I'm quite feeling it. I just think it's really cute. It's also got the like soft, fluffy material inside, which is just the best. It tucks up like that. Like I think that looks really nice. Or you could have it all the way down. I probably wouldn't wear it all the way down because it is quite long. But I mean, you could start it down. I probably again would just tuck it up like that. This looks so cute with the bag. Like, hi, I have a matching bag, matching jumper, and that looks quite cute. I feel like this just looks so put together to lectures, but also just comfy. And that's what we need. I feel like having a good outfit on at uni makes you feel like you've got your life put together, even if you don't have your degree together. You've got your life together through your outfit, so it's all good. Okay, so I feel like you can't go to uni without a checked shirt. I don't know, that's actually a complete lie. I did not have a checked shirt in first year or second year, but I feel like now we're going into third year, we're getting the outfits a bit more bougie, and I just love a checked shirt. Like the whole summer, I've just been obsessed with like oversized checked shirts. I feel like Sarah Ashcroft is the inspo behind this. I just love how she styles a checked shirt with literally everything. Like she just pulls everything off, doesn't she? I think PLT have some of the absolute best check shirts. They have every single colour, so if you're not a fan of pink, which is the colour of the one I'm going to show you, then you can literally get any colour you want. I just thought pink was quite cute, so I've just picked up this oversized shirt. It's like pink with black and grey running through it. These are also like quite thick and like soft, which means they're a little bit warmer than like just a very thin shirt, and I thought pink was really cute. I thought this would look really nice styled together with a little pink crop. So I found this, which is a little racer bag. I picked this up in a size 12 just because I've had a few racer bags from PLT before and I think they come absolutely tiny, and I'm so happy I picked up a 12. Usually I'm an 8 on top and I've gone up to a 12, and I would definitely recommend sizing up in them because honestly they're so tight. I just feel like it's necessary to size up. Okay, so this is the shirt and a little crop top styled with the jeans. I just think it looks so nice that you can kind of throw it off like that. You could also tie it up like this, which I think looks really cool. I probably personally would have it open just because that's how I prefer to wear it, but I just think this is such a nice little outfit. Again, it feels really put together even though it's quite simple, and I'm a big fan. I feel like there was a really nice one on PLT. I'll put a pic on screen now. It's like cream with black stripes down, and I feel like that would match so many outfits, and there could be another haul pending because I just love that too. Then I also did find some other jeans. I know I go on about like jeans a lot in hauls because I find it so hard to find a good pair of jeans. These blue ones I've got on at the minute are so good if you always find you have to size up in jeans because of the bigger hips, smaller waist situation. I feel like so many girls struggle with this and it's so annoying. But these jeans, honestly, they fit so good around the waist. Let me just show you. There's literally no gap, but they are still big enough to fit over my hips, which I just love. So these are definitely a good find, and I will link everything below because these jeans are just some of my faves now. I did also find some in black, which I'm a big fan of. So these are the jeans I found in black. They're kind of like a washed black. They're like acid wash black. These again had the same problem. They were a little bit too long. I've not ordered PLT jeans in years, and I don't remember them being really long, but they actually are. I've had to roll these ones up about 4 times, same as these. But again, I feel like I might cut these. I do have some similar from Topshop that I like cut off, which fit a lot better in the length. But these are really good again around the waist, and they also have a little rip in the jeans. I like these because they only have one rip in one knee, which I think is really nice, because a lot of the jeans you find that are ripped have like 50 rips down each leg, and it's like, where's the jean? Like, it's just all leg really, which is good for a night out. Don't feel like it's the ideal for lectures. So I found these and I thought these were perfect, and I'm just going to style this together again with the shirt and the top, because I thought the colours in the shirt go really nice with these jeans. That's why I picked them up. Okay, so I've got the jeans on with the shirt and the top, and they just fit so well. Again, really tight around the waist, baggy enough on the legs. I feel like it's so hard to find a good pair of jeans. It feels so nice. They're tight in the right places, baggy in the right places, and really, really flattering. As you can see, they have the one rip on the one knee, which I just think is just enough. And then they're rolled up. Like I said, I rolled them up about 5 times again, but I probably would cut them. But I just think this is a really nice outfit. Feels a bit put together, looks nice, and I'm a big fan of it. Okay, so finally I just picked up 2 things which I feel like are absolutely perfect for chilling around your house, uni, or around halls. I just feel like sometimes at uni you want to have things that are a little bit more than pyjamas, but then not like jeans, you know. So I found these are a good in between. So they're literally just sweat shorts, and I also feel like running around in the little shorts I wear to bed are so short, and I thought at uni it's not really the vibe. So I thought these are the perfect length. They're just kind of mid-thigh, that's the length they go to, and I just think these look so cool with every outfit as well. These ones from PLT are really comfortable. Again, they have the soft, fluffy material inside. Same as the grey. I literally picked up a pair in white, a pair in grey, because I thought these would be perfect. And they both have the fluffy inside. And I'm going to just throw these on with a crop top to show you how I would style these up. I may even wear these to uni, to be honest, on like a warmer day. I do just love how they look. They're like joggers, but for a warmer day. So I've just popped the white ones on with this little black crop top that I showed you at the start, and I just love them. Like, they have pockets, they have pockets. I always rave on about things not having pockets. They really annoy me. But these just fit perfectly. They're like the perfect length. They're not too short, not too long, and I just love them. If you were to wear to uni, then I mean, with the bag, I will not stop raving about this bag. I still just think this is a really cool outfit. I would definitely wear this to uni on a little bit of a warmer day. But if it was a bit cooler, again, you could just wear the white joggers. So now I'm going to put the grey ones on just so you can see. I mean, they fit the exact same, but just in grey. So these are the grey ones. Again, they're just super comfy, perfect length, and they look really nice with this outfit. Again, I feel like grey, black, white all just match together. It doesn't matter what you pair, they just all match together really well. So that is a big plus. And I'm a big fan of this outfit. So that is the last thing I think I have to show you. So as for uni essentials, I would definitely say jeans, joggers, little crop tops, sweatshirts is basically all you need, and like a good pair of trainers. That is probably my top things I would say are like essentials in your wardrobe. Let me know if you want me to do any more of these back to uni hauls. I was thinking I could do one with some other shops maybe. Obviously these clothes are all from PLT, but let me know if you want me to do another back to uni lecture outfits, and I can give you some more ideas, pair together some more outfits if that is helpful. Also, don't forget that I do have the night out outfits coming next week, so be sure to stick around and subscribe if you don't want to miss that. I feel like the clubbing / night out outfits that I've picked up are so nice, and I feel like as well, night out outfits at uni are so different to anywhere else. Like, it just has a different vibe. And I've picked up some really good outfits, I feel like, for drinks, because obviously clubs aren't open at the minute. And I've picked up some more clubbing outfits, but obviously when they do reopen as well. So definitely stick around if you don't want to miss that. It would mean so much if you could stick around and subscribe, because I'm literally so close to 3k, and I literally can't wait. I'm also going to be doing so many more back to uni videos, moving vlogs, the whole works. So I'd love you to stick around so you don't miss all my other back to uni content. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!